Here's a promise. By the end of this video, topic 1.1 is locked for the AP Psych exam. The College Board puts heredity and environment on every single test. Miss it, you're throwing away easy points. So stick around, because there's one twin study trap near the end that fools almost everybody. First, kill the biggest myth in psychology. It is not nature versus nurture. The exam never rewards you for picking a side. Think of it like baking. Your genes are the recipe. Your environment is the oven. Same recipe, different oven, totally different cake. Nature and nurture always work together. Start with heredity. Your genes passed down from your parents. Genes don't hand you a personality. They hand you a predisposition, a tendency. You might inherit a leaning toward anxiety, or height, or musical talent. But a predisposition is a loaded gun, not a fired one. Whether it goes off depends on the environment. Environment is everything outside your DNA. Family, friends, culture, diet, stress, even what happened before you were born. Two identical seeds in different soil grow into very different plants. For the exam, environment isn't just parenting. It's every experience that shapes who you become. So the position the College Board wants is the interactionist view. Behavior comes from genes and environment constantly interacting. Write that on the free response and you sound like a psychologist. Pick one side and you sound like someone who didn't watch this video. How do psychologists untangle this? Twins. Identical twins share 100% of their genes. Fraternal twins share about 50, like any siblings. If identical twins are more alike on a trait, even raised apart, that points to heredity. It's the cleanest natural experiment psychology has. Adoption studies do the reverse. Take kids raised by non-biological parents. Do they end up more like their adoptive family or their biological one? When adopted kids resemble biological parents they've never met, that's heredity flexing. When they pick up their adoptive family's habits, that's environment. Okay, here's the one that shows up as an FRQ trap. Epigenetics. Your environment can flip genes on or off without changing the DNA itself. Stress, diet, trauma leave chemical tags that control which genes get expressed. Same blueprint, different switches flipped. This is brand new on the exam, so know it cold. Zoom way out and you get the evolutionary perspective. Darwin's idea. Traits that helped our ancestors survive and reproduce got passed on. Natural selection. Why do we crave fatty, sugary food? Because the ancestors who craved calories survived the famine. Your modern brain is running ancient survival software. Now the dark side the College Board now expects you to know, eugenics, a discredited movement that tried to improve humans by controlling who could reproduce. It fueled forced sterilizations and horrific abuse. The lesson the exam wants, genetics has been weaponized before, and that history matters. Lock it in with one line. Genes load, environment pulls. Genes load the gun, environment pulls the trigger. If you remember nothing else from 1.1, remember that. It answers half the questions they can throw at you. On the exam, expect a scenario. A child is shy, and so is the biological mother they never met. They want you to reason across heredity and environment. Cite a twin or adoption study, and never pick a single side. Do that, and these are free points. That's topic 1.1, fully locked. But watching isn't remembering, so go drill it. AimFive hits this exact topic with AP-style questions and grades your free responses like a real reader. So you walk in ready for the 5. Tap the link, subscribe to join the skulk, and go get your 5. Fox out. Next up, 1.2, the nervous system.